In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Studio One. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website. If you have tried out their demo version, so their free trial, which you get 30 days off, you can open it up and you can go to Help up top and click on the Studio Pro website. Now, from here, it's going to take you to their official website, which is fender.com. And of course, if you haven't tried out demo, you just want to buy right away, you can just go ahead and go to their official website. And then from their website over here, you'll see it's going to load in. And then here, it's going to say buy now in the middle of your screen. And of course, the version that's currently available. So you simply want to click on the buy now button over here. And what's going to happen here, it's going to give you all the pricing and kind of all the details on what you get with this. And if you are happy, you can just go and click on purchase Fender Studio Pro. And when you do this, it's going to take you to the next page here where you basically have to select how you want to pay. So as you can see, you have a bunch of different ones. You have the license. You have this Pro Plus over here, which is the annual one. So you get license plus 20-month access. And then if you want access only, you can also choose this one. So select the one that you want. If you want these two, you're going to have to subscribe because, of course, it's going to be yearly or monthly plans billing. And if you do this, it's going to take you to your billing page over here where you have to basically go ahead and type in all the info, like, of course, your first name, last name, address, city, etc., your card number you want to pay with, and then you want to click on join now, and that's going to basically subscribe you. But of course, if you want this one, the license which is a one-time payment, you want to click on the buy now button over here, which is going to take you to this buy page over here, where essentially the same thing happens. You can put in your details, your card numbers and stuff like that, and then you can complete your purchase. And whenever you've done this, you can go ahead and buy Studio One that way. Okay, so it's super simple, and that's how you buy it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.